Hello there, my name is Emin EMCsoft, and in this short video I want to show you how you can do testing of your robots. Right, so you need to go to the deals, that's available only for deals for now, and go to automation rules, and inside of the automation you go to test mode. And here I created some robots, which I will create it from scratch again. So I will create customer communication, send email to customer, and I'm selecting where from, enter. Then you need to add customer communication again, and find here send SMS to customer. To send SMS, you need to put some text, and default provider use select 3 SMS, sending SMS via Twilio, which is our application, by the way. Right, and then you can here modify and change the name of the deal. Modify item, and name of the deal will be deal ID and deal name. Right, then we can add here robot. We can use some fields, second deal name, which will be ID of a deal minus name minus amount. Okay, right. So what we can do with that deals, we can create a robot and we can just move to that stage and see if SMS and email left a deal. And the same story for modify name and modify field. But so we don't need to close that. We can use testing mode. This is a new functionality. Right. So we can use test using demo deal. That means that for testing, system will create a demo deal. Start. So you got here test deal, which you created systematically, and we got test mode on test deal. Okay, so there is no triggers, there is no robots for stage new. That's why it's empty. We move to the select property, deal mode, and nothing here as well. Then we go move into another stage, send customer to email. And yes, I forget to click to start test. Right. So, and what I got error here and here. When you want to start, you need to go to the fields, add field, and then you need to select name of the deal. So then modification for the second name of the deal. Okay, right. So we move to that stage and we see that we got error. Client's email is not specified. Phone number is not specified. What we're doing, we open the deal, edit the deal, selecting contact, and save. Now we're closing deal. Now we're moving back and moving send customer email and SMS. And voila, we got sending. Good. Okay, so we can now physically see that robot executed. Now we're going to the next field, modify deal name. Okay, so we can see that deal name modified here, but also we can see that modified in field which we expect to be changed. Right, then we move to the last stage, add a new field. Okay, and with that robot executed successfully, and we got test deal, and something else. Should be because number is 0. Okay, we can put it back and put here, for example, that amount, and execute, add new field. Okay, executed. We got different amount here. Okay, also you got the logs here for each execution, so you can see exactly that it's not specified, it's not sending, you do the changes, then coming back, you got this report. Very useful, by the way, if you got a lot of robots, and you can use that for the check-in. And also you can use that, so we can click pause and we can now cancel the test. Okay, and we go to the robots and we can see that logs right here. Okay. So you can use that logs when you working with robots, and you can see what happened before the new robots. Yeah, quite simple. Then you go to a test mode and you can use test using real life deal. Okay, so it's quite the same. The only difference is that when you got this, you need to create the deal manually. Okay, when you create, okay, we can select some data. Okay, so we got this deal and you need to select this and add deal to the test mode. Okay, but for now it's not working for me for some reason. I believe that some problem there, but in fact it should be the same. So you add in that to a testing mode and do the testing. So that's it. If you like that video, please click like. If you got any questions regarding that video, please put your questions in comments under that video. Thank you and bye bye.